Hey guys, previously on our lawn body renovation project, we killed the lawn. We used glyphosate and covered the front, sides, and backyard. After a couple of days, we saw good results with almost complete destruction of the ugly lawn, though a few stubborn weed spots remain showing signs of survival. So we did a second spot follow-up application and hoped for the best. Today, almost a week after second application and a scalping mowing, we are ready for what is next.
Today we're gonna go into phase 2 of this renovation project. We're gonna be looking into how to prepare the soil and how to get it ready for the seeding, which is the final step of the renovation project, along with the watering and getting the seed taken care of for it to sprout and be well established. As you can see, everything is dead. I mean, it's absolutely dead everywhere. Even the, like the one that we had, which was very stubborn weed, which is goosegrass. I'd say one of the biggest headaches that we have here in Oklahoma, or for that matter, probably in the transition zone in US. It was taken care of. It died completely. It was already so halfway there with the tenacity mix that I did with the T-zone, but after we apply the glyphosate, as you can see, it's completely dead, absolutely dead. We have a little bit of an issue here. It's probably a leak. Be getting into it at some point and we'll find out what it is. Very quick update here. This leak started with the zone valve membrane at the valves box, which was worn out, causing it not to close completely when shut off. I replaced the membrane and solenoid and leak disappeared. So just in a moment, we're not gonna do much of the thatching as much as, literally vertically cutting into the soil. Probably it's gonna make some grooves into the soil, and that's what we expect. So it would be ready for the leveling crew, and from there, ready to seed. Alright guys, so right off the bat, a few things that you want to learn from my mistakes. First, you would like to use pants. Don't use shorts, because you're gonna end up having a lot of dirt on your legs. Also, if you have any small pebbles or rocks, they're gonna shoot right to your legs and it's kind of painful, so I wouldn't recommend that. The other thing that I came across is the battery. What I did to work smart and not hard is that I put the other battery, not just the one that I have charging already, but actually the one that I was using right now, I put it to charge. So in the meantime, that one is charging, and the other one, I'm gonna pick up all the leftovers, make sure that this more fix everything that was left. If it doesn't, that means I'll have to go again with another pass of the de-thatching or vertical cut. So I'm gonna set my mower right now to the lowest setting. It's gonna pick as much as I can this mower. So I decided to use a cordless de-thatcher, namely Greenworks 40 volts 15-inch de-thatcher. But you can use a corded de-thatcher, but the problem with the corded, you're gonna have that cord all over the place. And if you have battery, the best thing that you can do is have 3 batteries. It's not that expensive. You're talking about $66 each. So I just finished the backyard and this small strip that we have on the north side. So I'm gonna leave for tomorrow the south strip and then the front as well. As you can see, it takes a while and you have to strategize on the use of your batteries. So that's pretty much it. All right, fellas, it is day 2 of these de-thatching. Sun already set, so we're gonna be rushing it again. Unfortunately, this is the way it is when this is not your primary job. So yep, we're gonna get to it in the next few minutes. Okay, so this is crazy. Even with the Scarifying blades on the Scarifier De-thatcher, it was not enough, so we had to do it in both directions. Thanks God my wife joined in and she was helping, making it shorter with the mower, picking up everything that I left behind. So I did in both directions, the entire front. And at the end of the day, that's what helped to finish it and pick all that death grass. It was a late night, if you would, project. We got it done. I was just concerned about neighbors because of the noise, and I understand that 9 p.m. is curfew time, so I finished right on time. Either way, I'm pretty sure my neighbors think I'm crazy. Nothing I can do about it. Maybe I am. I'm super happy with the results. You can tell where all the deeps are and all the bumps, and that would help the crew that will come after doing all the leveling work. So these paint that you can get at a box store, Home Depot, Lowe's, inverted marking paint, so you can actually spray it downwards. I'm not 100% sure that 6 scoops of topsoil would be enough to cover everything, so this will help out the leveling crew to discriminate where to put dirt and where not to. I'll be calling it for today. On the next video, I said 3 steps initially, but this is gonna be more like 4 or 5 steps for properly seeding and put fertilizer, everything that is needed for the seed to grow. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Shalom, shalom.